Today I will teach you how to clean up inbox in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now there are different ways or methods of ensuring that your inbox is clean, and I'm going to talk about a few of them. The first one I'm going to talk about is archiving old emails. So what you want to do is you want to check inbox. You want to come to this search bar up here, and you want to type older. And if you would like to check for one here, you can check for emails that are dated a year before today, and you're going to click on select, and you can delete all of them together. That's one way of ensuring that your inbox is clean. The second thing I'd like to talk about is unsubscribing from unnecessary newsletters. So you're going to go to a newsletter, and at the top here you can click unsubscribe. The third thing I'd like to talk about is using filters. You can set filters to create some kind of rule to allow emails that have subjects like invoice or newsletter go to certain labels or go to your spam account. Now these are a few things that you can do to ensure that your inbox is clean. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.